Namaste, friends. The aspiring soul is trying his best to reach his ultimate goal, which is of God communion. But there are certain weaknesses in him that creates serious roadblocks for the devotee. And one of this weakness is his attachment to pleasure, attachment to things, attachment to people, relationships, which gives him happiness. Of course, these are short term, non sustainable sources of happiness because that happiness is external, that happiness is conditional, and that is the root cause of his suffering because he is aspiring for those pleasures, and that is eating away from all that energy that he has that he could potentially put for his growth and progress towards God communion. And that attachment could be that of a mother towards her son. She does each and every chore for him, saying that he's still a small child for me, so I will do it for him. And in reciprocation, she receives that affection from her son. But this attachment has two pitfalls. One is that the offspring or the child does not learn to be independent. Hence, is potentially going to create a lot of problems for the personality development of the child, for doing his daily activities. He's dependent on his mother. But the serious roadblock that it creates for the aspirant is that she is completely putting the onus of her emotional upliftment on her son. So she gets very badly affected when she does not get a positive reinforcement through the show of emotion from her son. She gets utterly disturbed if she doesn't get that reciprocation. And she gets supremely happy when she gets it. So this is again a trap that she is falling for and is not able to recognize it because of her attachment to her son. So our craving for pleasure, our craving for pleasure and the actions that we do to get that pleasure through our attachment for material and non-material is essentially a big roadblock for the aspirant. So unless the aspirant is making an effort to objectively observe the sentiments, the emotions, the thought process, and categorically is picking up and throwing away those thoughts and actions which are detrimental because of his attachment, it is only going to prolong his journey. Because what we have to remind ourselves is that again, these attachments are handiwork of Maya, And if we are showing avidya or lack of knowledge that this is Maya or clarity that this is Maya, then we are again falling into the trap of the Maya. The sense mind will give us 100 reasons and justifications for our actions which are pleasure oriented. But as a sincere devotee, it is our responsibility that we are mindful of these thoughts. We, like a good gardener, is uprooting the weed away from the flowering plants. So let the God give us the courage and the determination to throw away what is unnecessary attachment and only replace it with attachment for God, because that is the ultimate source of our supreme bliss.